Okay guys, today we're gonna repair this one piece shingles, and so we got the flat bar to do the repair, and we got the hammer. So now we're gonna start doing the repair. See right here, I'll lift it up to take off the staples. These are staples. So right here. Make damage here. Okay, now we finish. Remove the staples. And now we're gonna start with the shingle here. So this is the old shingles, and we're gonna start putting new ones. You can see right here the ITEL recommend the charcoal, but I think this shingle is discontinuous because this is not the right one. So it's a different color. Then so we put in the nails here. Lift it up the shingle, so we're gonna put the nails back. Okay. So now we're putting the last nails here. So you can order here, so it's make damage here, here, here too, and so the colors look different. So this is the damage here, 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 this one, and so we can lift it out this shingle, so no glue here. So no glue, so we're gonna start blowing off again. And here, so we good here. Alright, so that's why we can repair this roof.